one single discount after successive discount 20%, 10% and 5%. Its short trick is after 20% discount the things will be 80%. So here we will write 80 by 20. Notice after 20% discount 80%, 80 by 20 into next 10% discount, so 90 by 10, next 5% discount, so 95 by 5. Now in denominator we will write discount 20 into 10 into 5 into 100% equal to here 20 80 4 0 0 5 95 19 here 9 and now 4 20 5. So here 250 and here 171 into 100%. After calculation it will be 68.4%. So the things remain its cost price 68.4%. So single discount will be 100 minus 68.4 equal to 31.6%. It will be right answer. Here option D.